Hey guys, Victor Kayak here. I am back on San Pete for the Soto. Man, look at the water. Well, that noise that you're hearing out in the back, well, my point that I always go over there is taken. They're making a bridge. They have that one right there, but I guess they're gonna make a higher one. So my corner over there is blocked. It's supposed to be 10 to 15 miles an hour wind today. I'm in the other side of the road. Not bad. Look at that water, man. Oh my God. I raked out all my baits before I came here. Same ones. Let's go out there and see what happened. See you in the water. Okay. I'm recording. Yes, I am. Well, one more time, Victor Kayak here on San Pete for the Soto area. I just anchored down, waiting for the anchor to come in position. I'm in the other side, like I said before. They're doing a bridge on my point. It's kind of windy over there, so I'm protected over here. It's windy, but not that bad. I just saw bait jumping. I don't have my microphone today. I just got the single one with no microphone. This is the bait right here. I don't see anybody fishing so far. Okay, I just anchored down and let's start fishing. Here we go. Here we go. I'm gonna use, you know it, the baby trout bait from Home Wrecker Lures with the what do you call it, nature color jig. The water's clear, man. It's really clear, and I think this is gonna be awesome. So let's gonna start. Man, I like that bait. Look at that bait in the water. Look, I like that. Tell how it moved. So here we go. Hit it again. Hit it again. Come on, hit it again. 2. Come on, hit it again, baby. Hit it again. Here we go. 3. It's following it. It's following it to the kayak. I gotta keep moving. Come on, take it right here, baby. Oh man. Oh man, this is awesome. This is awesome. This is awesome, bro. Here we go. Hit it again. Here we go. Here we go. I told you. Here we go. I told you. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go, baby. Here we go. Oh yeah. Ooh, it's heavy. Ooh, it's heavy. I got fish. I got fish, baby. Come on, don't let go. Don't let go. Oh yeah. Don't let go. Oh, don't let go. What is this? Oh my God, look at this. I got a grouper. I got a grouper. What the? How funny is that? I got a grouper. Holy crap. Hold on, baby. Hold on. I'll put you back to water. I'll put you back in the water. Holy crap. Look at this. Look at this. I gotta put the gloves on because the motherfuckers think. Oops, sorry. Come on. Look at this. I got a grouper. How funny is this? Here we go. Back in the water. Holy crap. This is awesome. I got a grouper. How funny is that? I don't think grouper's open season. I don't know. I gotta check. Oh my God, I got a grouper. I got a grouper out of here. That's funny. It doesn't mean they won't be here, but I never thought, excuse me, I was gonna get a grouper out of here. But my first fish that hit me before, it was a trout. It was kind of harder. I mean, hit it harder. Oh my God, let's do it again. Well, guy, I had to put the cover on. You're not gonna hear me that good. It's supposed to rain, 30%. Just cloudy today. Wow, okay. So dolphin. So, I guess we continue fishing or we stop? I don't know. Let's see. Here we go. I got it. 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 I got it again. Hopefully you can see it. I got it. I got it again. I got it. It's pulling. It's pulling. I got it. Come on. Are you freaking kidding me? Why? Today's my grouper day? Look at this. Today's grouper day. Oh, I gotta put the gloves on. It's easy when I put the gloves on. Sorry guys, I got the waterproof casing, so you're only gonna hear like wah wah wah. You know what I mean? So, oh. I gotta put the gloves on because it's kind of slippery. I'll take it in a minute. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on, baby. Hold on 1 second. Hold on 1 second. I'm almost there, almost there. Hold on, don't die yet. Don't die. I'm almost there. Hold on. Here we go. With the bone, collar, and server on the bottom, and the chapter tail. Here we go, another little grouper. Okay guys, I'm leaving now. It's only not even 10 o'clock yet, but it's raining again. And if it starts raining, I'm out of here. That's the bridge, there's a construction of the bridge right there. And they closed my area. So I gotta wait till then finish the bridge and see if they're gonna leave that open area or not. Let's fish. I got 3 nice hits. Missed it. 2 little groupers. Hopefully I got it on video. And let me go start picking up because it's gonna rain again. So before it starts raining hard, I wanna get everything ready. Well guys, I'm back and forth the Soto. Hopefully I'll be back again. This is a good area, I like it. But anyways, I'll try. Hopefully I got a video those 2 little groupers that I got. I'm gonna pick everything up. And guys, like always, like, look at the subscription button at the bottom, subscribe, share, and definitely see you on the water. Thank you.